The AI coins will explode in the upcoming days and weeks, and the NVIDIA earnings date will push them to the upside. In this video I will talk about different AI coins, I will talk about the NVIDIA earnings date, and I will share with you the technical analysis on my top 5 AI coins in the crypto space. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I will share their daily updates on Bitcoin, AI coins and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. If we have a look at the market cap of the AI coins, you can see that we now have a market cap of around $33 billion and that the price increased over 4.3% in the last 24 hours. So a lot of AI coins are now going to the upside again. And on the 22nd of May, we get the NVIDIA earnings. And at the last times, as we got the NVIDIA earnings, the AI coins then exploded to the upside and got this massive push. So if the NVIDIA earnings are great, the chance that the AI coins will explode is very high. And for the long term, I'm also really bullish on AI coins. So I think a market cap of around $500 billion is very realistic for this cycle. And I'm very excited to see how the NVIDIA earnings will boost the cryptocurrencies if the earnings are great, or if the earnings are not good, how the AI coins will react. I'm showing you now the 5 most interesting bullish coins in the AI space. And if you're looking for exchange to buy these AI coins, you can use BingX. BingX has a large variety of different cryptocurrencies, and we now have this amazing anniversary event. And if you're using my link in the description, you get up to $5,000 bonus. So let's start with the first one, which is a Render token. Render token is right now in place 27 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of around $4 billion. And of course, it's one of the biggest coins in the AI space. And we already exploded over the last all-time high right here, which was a very bullish sign. And as you can see, we already retested this last demand zone right here, then pushed to the upside, broke this last highs. So for Render token, we are right now in this bullish structure again, and the chance that we can see even higher prices in the near future is there. So for the long term, I'm very bullish on Render, and for the short term, I think this bullish structure looks also very bullish. The next coin on my list is PAL AI. PAL is right now on place 224 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of around $400 million. And I also talked about this coin multiple times, and we saw lately this bullish push after the NVIDIA earnings. Then we came all the way down into this demand zone again, retested it. Then we saw this bullish push, retested this newer demand zone. And right now we are seeing this breakout out of the zone. And if you're also now breaking this last high to the upside, the chance that you could see a massive explosion in the near future is here. And I also bought PAL with my Signal group. So if you want to copy my spot buys and my leverage trades, then join my exclusive Signal group. It's the second link in the description. So again here for the long term, I'm really bullish on PAL. And if we are looking at the chart right now, it's also looking very bullish on the short term. As long as we are not breaking this last lows to the downside, then the chance is higher that we could see even lower prices. The next coin on my list is AI Tech. AI Tech is right now on place 437 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $100 million. And as you can see, after we got this bullish push from this demand zone to this new high, we then saw this correction to the downside again. We then retested this demand zone here the second time right now, or also now the third time. And if we're now breaking out of this descending trend line, then the chances is high that you could see a massive explosion. And just from the price right now to this last all-time high, we would have a potential of a 177%. And again, for the long term, we have a market cap of just $100 million. So I think a potential of $3 to $4 billion, so a 30 to 40x is very realistic for this project. Of course, on the short term, we now have to see a bullish interest because we saw this longer bearish trend. But for the long term, I'm really bullish. And as you can see, we are right now retesting this last demand zone. So if this demand zone is holding and if we are not breaking to the downside, then the chances also high that we are seeing higher prices in the near future. The next coin is OXO AI. This coin is right now on place 234 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $280 million. And as you can see, we saw this massive push to the upside. And then after this retracement, we came back into this last high, we retested this and then saw this massive push. And now we are retesting this last demand zone. And if we now see a bullish reaction, the chance is high that we could see even higher prices in the near future. And I also think it's a great project for the long term. And this coin is not listed on many bigger exchanges. So if this coin got released on bigger exchanges, then the chance is also high that you can see even higher prices. So this is also a really bullish sign for me that the most of the people are buying this coin on Uniswap or BitGet. And if we have more chances to buy this coin, then more money will also flow into this coin. And we also have a circulating supply of 86%, which is also really bullish. And the last coin on this list is ChainGPT. ChainGPT is right now in place 420 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $110 million. I think it's an amazing project with a very high potential. And also from the technicals, we are now retesting this last high right here for the third time. And if we now see a bullish interest, then the chance is very high that we can see higher prices. And we of course also saw this bullish increase, and everybody who knows this project knows that this has a very, very high potential. And I also made a full video on this project where I shared my price prediction for 2025. So guys, all in all, I'm really bullish on the AI sector. I think the chance is very high that the AI coins will outperform every other niche in the crypto space. And especially with the NVIDIA earnings date on the 22nd of May. The chance is very high that these coins will explode if the earnings are great. And if the earnings are not great, we will see how the AI coins will react on this earnings date. And if you want to see my full video, then click on the link in the credits. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.